or doctor or engineer. Not engineer, but doctor.
Where we used to talk to people who are, who come and who want to talk about aspirations of their life, inspirations, and if they want to do something eccentric. So I meet a lot of people over there who mention that that's something which is their bread and butter. That's something which is they are doing for as a professional. At the same time, they have picked up something else, and they carry it as a passion. You say, why I brought this discussion is that at times when we are not in that age, or maybe probably we have totally lost that, how can we change our profession now. So still the time doesn't fade off. Rather, you should always find some or the other way to spend some of your time towards what you like doing, because that will always keep you motivated. And once as a person we are happy, I'm sure that is something, the vibes and the aura is reflected everywhere, even in our professional life. So maybe if someone can take this up and talk on passion and profession. Maybe Gaurav, if you can suggest something on this.
Yeah, thank you, Prashant. So, passion is one of the element. It is very weird from the very beginning. From childhood, when someone asks what you want to become, and the very first thing comes up like pilot or doctor or engineer. Not engineer, but doctor. We learned that later. Anyways, because it's easy to see things around. You see that is the legit profession which makes good amount of money, and that is visible also, and not, that is also for one, right? But it is very hard to differentiate between what you really like and what you really can do things. And there are moments where you like so many things. Like I was born there in defense area. Like my dad was Air Force guy, so I brought up with multiple weapons, tanks, fighter planes. I mean, machines makes me feel good. So how that whole mechanical things work, how the whole one idea turns into so many minute details. So these things inspires me a lot. Now here, the way it is going there through engineer or through mechanical engineer. So I'm a dropout of mechanical engineer. Okay. Things was, I didn't like the way it was going towards that area. Okay.
Correct.
So I skipped that part. And there was a confusion, like what I really want. I also like designing part. I also like arts, fashion design, right? So many things are happening at the same time. So I would suggest keep on doing things. Okay, just do it. Okay, if you like something, do it right away. Even if it is very bad sketch or